Maybe we'll have a duel at the end of the thing. Okay. Oh, I can't kill her. I'm gonna go walk around. I have to escape. I don't want her killing me at night. I'm also gonna go for a walk. Oh, you take the sword because you're weaker, so you'll need it. I gotta make a plan. I don't want her killing me, but I don't really want to kill her. But it looks like I'm gonna have to. What are we even winning from this? Sorry, sis, but I guess I'm gonna take all this stuff. I'll be back at night. I know you're gonna be here waiting for me. I'll leave you something. Whatever that is, it does look kind of disgusting. Actually, I'm gonna find a new campsite and act like we got robbed. Oh. There. Now, I'm gonna run. I've been walking for so long, it's already night. Oh, I'm so tired. Where's all of our stuff? Sis, did we get robbed? Did she die? Sis! 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 Jeez, she's loud. I have to come back now. Yeah, what's all the worry? Where's all our stuff? Did you eat it all? No, I didn't. Someone robbed it when I came back. I just came back. Okay. Good night. I think I'm gonna kill her. I'll kill her at maybe midnight. She doesn't fall asleep fast. Good night. She's definitely gonna kill me. I heard her whispering. Good night, sis. Sweet dreams. What do you mean, sweet dreams? I stole all the stuff. I know you were gonna kill me. I wasn't. 16 people eliminated. I'm so sorry, sis, but it was for the game. I'll bring my stuff here. 17 people eliminated. 18 people eliminated. Oh my gosh, so many people got eliminated just now. Well, only 2, but... Let's see what I got. I never got Explore. I've been running away for hours. I never even got sleep. I'm so tired. Okay, so water, water, and water. Apple, bacon, and some steak. That's good. I think I'm gonna have some water though. That's good. I can't believe he got eliminated. I'll just camp over here. Did she not see me? Why did I slap you with meat? Anyways. I can't breathe! Please stop! It's a part of the game, girl. 19 people eliminated. 20 people eliminated. What? Who just died? Anyways, whatever. hello there. Please don't hurt me. We could be a clan. Oh, I'm gonna hurt you. We are not powerful enough, but we can help a little bit. I help other people. You idiots, you were gonna kill me at night, weren't you? We would have killed you last night. What? You weirdos. 21 people eliminated. Did that girl die? Probably. 22 people eliminated. Easy as that. Wow. Now I gotta kill those kids. Oh, I got more stuff. Let's see what they had. Food, a lot of food. Water, and then water. Okay. Put this stuff away. We have a lot of stuff. Maybe I should eat some food. That was good. What the heck are you guys doing? Don't call us weirdos. 22 people eliminated. Ugh, get off of me. Wait, what? What does that mean, 22 people eliminated? I thought you were done. What? What? Sis? Hello? Hello? Sis? Sis? Did you fall asleep? What happened? Come on, no, probably somebody else. 23 people eliminated. What did you do? I didn't do anything. Whoa there, kiddo. Chill. 24 people eliminated. Sis, please, are you awake? What happened? I thought you died. No, I just remember getting slapped. Maybe that stupid girl slapped you. Where is she? I killed her, don't worry. Let's put all this stuff away, because we got our stuff back. Well, some of it. Some of the stuff's new. But you don't need this. What if we died? We killed pretty much our teammate. Well, then we die. Where's Emily? Oh, she died in a battle. What? You guys probably killed her. You little, what happened to her? She was probably screaming to herself. Let's just kill her. She's not worth our time. 25 people eliminated. That was easy. She was sick. What do you expect? Hey, little kiddos. Want to be a clan? No. Nope. Oh, I'm not gonna hurt you guys. You sound like a kidnapper. Get away from us. What the heck? I'm not a kidnapper. Give me my sword back. Nope. Give it back or I'll kill your sister. Ah, my eye! 26 people eliminated. I think we got this in the bag. Me too, sis. Let's go. Maybe we shouldn't go. A lot of people are coming over here. Yeah, maybe. 27 people eliminated. Gonna see what I got. What did I got? Oh my gosh, so cool. Please, no, I'm innocent soul. Someone take my stuff before the cake hits too. 28 people eliminated. That was easy. What was that dude thinking? I don't know, but who do you think took his stuff? I don't know. It was a bad idea leaving all my stuff. I'll go grab my sword. People. I'm gonna put my sword over here. I'm kind of tired. Then you go to bed. I'll be in charge of taking care. Okay. Perfect. I want some food. 29 people eliminated. Now time for you. Let me move that person. Sis, who just died? Sis? Hi! Ah, sis, help me! Your sister's dead. 30 people eliminated. Only 5 contestants remain. This should be easy. Especially since I have all this stuff now. I mean, I kinda got robbed. Now only what I need. I'll take this stuff. Everything's in there now. Person. Just loot. People. Really? Just some free loot? Yeah, I think so. I mean, you're the one who said free loot. True. Yeah. Ah! What? Let me grab it. 31 people eliminated. My sister, what did you do? It's kind of your fault for not protecting her. Let me take that out of her. And maybe you should have fought back. Ah! 32 people eliminated. Okay. Now time to move with these people. And now I have 2 swords. What am I going to use that for? I have no teammate. Maybe I can make a teammate, but there's only like, I don't know. 3 people remaining. 3 people remaining. Really? Only 3 people? Person. Hello. Why do you have a car? Are you a contestant? Of course I am. Thanks for the knife. Hey, that's the better one. Take that one if you want to do well. Thanks, kiddo. I'm great with these types of knives. Nice. Sorry, meant spear. Whatever. That's funny. Did they get eliminated? Thought wrong. What? My little fake whatever thing works every time. 33 contestants eliminated. Wow, 33. That means there was 35 contestants. 2 contestants remain. Does that mean there's 2 other people? I don't know. I guess I'll find out. I got a car now. Whee! Wait, I should be ready, unlike last time. Person, I'm really hungry. I'm gonna eat really quickly. I can go ahead and go further. Don't need the rest of that apple. Time to drink some of my water. Actually, I have an idea. And I grab this one. What was all that rascus behind me? Whatever, I'm gonna take a drink. Ah! Why do you have 2? 34 contestants eliminated. I won. Did I win? Are you contestants? No, we're the owners. Yeah. Did I actually kill people? Well, if I'm being honest. I would say it's called acting. So, in Hunger Games, we say, when we say this person got eliminated or somebody got eliminated and they were in a fight, then they know to beat it. Oh yeah. So of course no one's dead. Whoever like fought their sisters, brothers, they're not really dead. Gotta remember that, guys. Yeah, okay, well, anyways, here's your $10,000. Well, your paycheck will be at the front. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. That was funny. I know, right? She actually thought they were alive. They lied to me? Yeah, I know, right? How would they actually know that? Yeah. Ah! What the heck? Oh. 35 contestants eliminated. Bye-bye. Bro?